Hey buddy, want to cook salmon, scallops, and shrimp like a pro? Master this one simple technique, and you'll be cooking seafood with the confidence of a chef. Chef Andrew here from North Coast Seafoods. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into an essential technique that every home cook needs to master: pan searing. Once you perfect this quick and easy method of preparation, you can use it for shrimp, scallops, salmon, and so much more for restaurant quality results at home. So grab your pan and let's get cooking.
Whether you're searing salmon, shrimp, or scallops, the prep is incredibly simple. We'll keep it simple for all three. Just salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Today, we're using naked, easy peel shrimp, which is pre-split and deveined, making it effortless to remove the shell and tail and eliminating the pesky task of digging out the vein yourself. Simply pinch the shell along the inside curve of the shrimp, peel it off, and twist that tail to remove. Repeat it until all your shrimp are peeled and ready to go. Want to skip this step? Fully peeled and deveined naked shrimp are available as well. Searing enhances the seafood's natural sweetness while creating a perfect contrast of textures. Crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. On the side of the sea scallop, there is something called an adductor muscle. This should be gently peeled off before cooking. These are fine to eat, just a little bit of a tougher texture. Very simple to peel off and discard. That's it. The searing technique is the same for salmon, shrimp, and scallops. Start by heating a neutral oil like canola, sunflower, or avocado to test if the oil is hot enough. Touch an ingredient to the pan. If it starts to sizzle, then the oil is hot enough. Carefully add in your seafood evenly in one layer. Again, it should sizzle once it hits the oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. The next part is key. Once everything is settled in the pan, don't move it. Let it be. We want to let that beautiful golden crust develop, which is the natural sugars in the salmon, shrimp, and scallops caramelizing before your eyes. Cook the first side for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's close, take a peek to check for that perfect golden color. Once it's there, flip carefully and cook for another 2 to 4 minutes, depending upon the size. Remember, smaller shrimp and scallops will obviously cook faster. And always remember, once you remove your seafood from the heat, it will continue cooking another 5 or 10 degrees or so. That's known as carryover cooking. Here's a technique to test doneness and avoid overcooking your salmon. Gently push the flat end of a wooden skewer through the thickest part of the fish. If it slides through with no resistance, it's ready. If you feel some resistance, cook for another 1 to 2 minutes and test again. And voila! It's as simple as that. You want to take it up a notch? It's easy to create a delicious pan sauce using the flavorful fawn left over in the pan, like I did for the shrimp and scallops here. This entire process takes just 10 to 15 minutes. So make sure you have your sides ready to serve immediately. Quick, reliable, and can be applied to so many different varieties of seafood. Enjoy your perfectly seared seafood.
And that's it. With this trusty pan searing technique, you'll be ready to cook a wide variety of seafood with confidence. You got this. Trust me. Bon appetit.